Take me away, me away, take me away.
Hey guys, it's Carlisha G, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we will be doing a easy DIY. So as you can see, the title of the video, we will be doing some fur slides. Couldn't get my words out. So all the things you need, of course, is some slides, and we're gonna do two pairs. We're gonna do adult pairs and some, where is her slides? Oh, and some toddler slides. So we're gonna do the adult pair first. So you need your slides, and then you need your E6000 glue, and then you need whatever color fur you're going to use. I'm going to use this for mine, and I'm going to use the white for the other slides, the toddler slide. And of course you need some scissors, and that's it. That's completely it. That's all you need. And you don't have to get any name brand slides. If you can find some cheap slides like this with the hard bottom, then that would do. You don't have to have any expensive slides to do this. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to cut this white part off. Put that there. And then you're going to measure it from side to side. Measure from here to here. You want to take this back, pull all of it back so you won't cut it. Pull it out the way. Cut it. Take the excess scrub and then make sure it fits. And it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut mine. You don't have to do this, but I want to do mine. I want to go ahead and pre-cut mine so it can go faster. I want mine full and fluffy, so I'm gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put them real close together. So we're gonna open this. Let's move this. Open it. If I can get it open. And I'm gonna start putting the glue on it. And if it drips, just wipe it off. And then we're going to start laying it down from the end across. I'll make sure it's pressed all the way down. Okay, now we're going to push it all back because we don't want to put glue on it. We want to make sure it's sticking to the shoe. And we're going to start again. So So we're gonna lay some more down. Messy. Okay, so you're gonna just keep doing that until you get the desired look on your shoe that you want. So I'm gonna keep doing that. Okay guys, I'm on my second shoe. I finished with the first one and it's so pretty. And I already cut my fur for this shoe so it can be easier and go by faster.